Here is Cris Bamboo's new location. He moved to another spot. And he's not building the kubols here anymore. I'm trying to get across the street. So excuse my weird sound. I'm pausing so I don't get squishing. I'm trying to pay attention to traffic. I'm not daring enough to do like a Filipino and just walk out here and hope somebody stops me. Okay. Here we go.
Hello! Gandang umaga!
Hey! Magandang umaga! How you doing? Long time no see.
Hey! Long time no talk.
Yeah. Oh my God! I got
Hello, my friend.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
I'm still preparing for my bamboos.
What are you building? What? What are you building now?
We are preparing for the materials of the restaurant, bamboo restaurant and tala, kamarin.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to take a picture around of some of this. What is this here? That's nice looking. The dividers there.
It's a new project in San Miguel, San Miguel, Bulacan.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Function hall.
Yeah.
That's the floor plan.
Nice.
We start March 11.
March 11th?
Yeah.
Is that concrete tile floor?
Yeah, concrete tile.
Yeah.
And maybe next week, can I invite you next week for my new two-story bamboo restaurant?
Sure, I would love it. I would love it.
I will show it there first. Wait for a minute.
Wait for a minute?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to take some pictures over here, a video over here. Over here, and he's making slabs. I guess it's a slab for the for like a window. What? Hey, how you do? What are you building over here? Oh, this is what they're turning into. This is what they're making out there. He's cutting the slabs for it. And it's to make like a blind inside, like blinds inside. Okay, interesting. And there's where he's shaving them all up, trimming them all up before he joins them all together. Yeah.
We are working always and outside. This is the proposed bamboo restaurant two-story and tala General Hospital.
Yeah.
Inside the compound. Yeah.
Right.
So I would like to show you by this coming week. I will go to your whole house and to go to ride for that.
Good, that'll be nice. That'll be nice. Hey, how are you doing?
Oh, I have a little girl.
A little girl.
You little
Hello,
girl.
say hello.
Hi.
Hi. Smile.
Hi, na. Say hi.
If I had my yellow shirt, I'd look like Big Bird, and then you'd like me. Hey, hi, how are you?
Tito. Smile.
Uncle Bob. Hi, Uncle Sam.
I gotta stop this.